Industrial Training Institute, Chenganur, the first of its kind in the temple town of Chenganur, has started its activities in 1964 with 14 trades. It is situated in 8.2 hectares of land in a lush green environment with pollution-free atmosphere in the heart of Chenganur town of Alleppey district. The institute has evolved into a major ITI of first-grade status in central Travancore with a skill training capacity of approximately 1,500 trainees in 23 trades over the past 6 decades. We have a good number of well-qualified and trained instructors supported and guided by supervisory staff of high profile in our roles. The placement cell, constituted in the ITI, plays the key role for providing placement opportunities to ITI graduates. Our trainees of previous batches are well placed within India and abroad, both in private and public sectors, with a high-profile contribution both in industrial and economic growth of our country. ITI Chenganur has an Institute Management Committee chaired by the Managing Director of our industry partner, Samudra Shipyard Limited, Arur. The IMC provides support to enhance the involvement of industry in all aspects of training and to ensure that training courses are fully demand-driven. Also, the IMC supports the implementation of ongoing World Bank-assisted Central Sector Scheme, upgradation of ITIs through PPP, skill strengthening for industrial value enhancement, STRIVE. Also, the upgradation of ITI on par with international standards, a scheme by Government of Kerala with the financial assistance from KIFB at total cost of 71.2 crores rupees is progressing at this institute. As part of the NSQF curriculum, all trades at our institute have signed MOUs with industrial partners to deliver 150 hours of on-the-job training annually. Beyond standard training, we offer additional skill development opportunities. Mechanical sector trainees undertake a C&C course on campus in partnership with the Institute Management Committee. Meanwhile, automobile sector students benefit from a full-time driving school located within our campus. In the latter half of each training year, our Career Guidance and Placement Cell delivers a range of programs to boost employability. Career guidance sessions, DWMS portal awareness and registration workshops, CV writing assistance, interview coaching, and soft skill training. To bridge the gap between training and workplace readiness, we run a work readiness program in collaboration with our placement cell and additional skill acquisition program. Prior to the All India Trade Test, trainees participate in training sessions under the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme. Every year, the department hosts a district-level job fair, bringing employers and job seekers together to explore career opportunities. In addition, our placement cell conducts multiple campus drives and walk-in interviews. As a result, the majority of our trainees secure employment. In fulfilling our social responsibility, our institute has created a volunteer team called Naipunya Karma Sena, composed of trainers and trainees. This team provides hands-on community service. Last year, they repaired and maintained furniture, carried out electrical and plumbing work at Chenganur Government Hospital and Government High School. During monsoons, they also supported flood relief efforts by assisting with plumbing, electrification, and rebuilding in affected areas. Government ITI Chenganur, best practices and collaboration in skill development and innovation. Pre-academic coaching. We design a structured coaching program before the academic session in alignment with the NSQF, aimed at achieving predetermined training objectives and skill development goals. Practical exposure. Trainees gain hands-on experience through projects, industrial visits, expert talks, and on-the-job training. Soft skills enhancement. Various workshops, including the Work Readiness Program by ASAP and language improvement sessions, are conducted to strengthen trainees' communication and interpersonal skills. Skill and knowledge guidance. Trainees are made aware of numerous free courses available on the SIDH and DWMS portals for skill enhancement and soft skill development. Entrepreneurial development. To foster entrepreneurial abilities, workshops are organized in collaboration with the ED Club, Udyam Learning Foundation, and MSME. Creativity and innovation. By integrating project-based learning into the curriculum, trainees are encouraged to develop innovative solutions to socio-economic challenges. Commitment to growth. We are dedicated to promoting growth, innovation, and sustainable development. Vision for excellence. We aim to provide world-class technical training that enhances both the skills and confidence of our trainees. This prepares them to adapt to evolving technological trends and meet the demands of the current job market. Continuous improvement is ensured through regular faculty training and the refinement of our educational processes. And thus, we sum up our aim, building a bright future by building a skilled youth. At Government ITI Chenganur, we believe that empowering young minds with the right skills is the first step toward a stronger, self-reliant tomorrow. Let us continue to learn, grow, and shape the future together. Thank you for listening. Government ITI Chenganur.